So first you're gonna need some glue, activator. It doesn't have to be confetti glue. I just like confetti glue myself because it you can't go wrong with confetti. And any kind of food coloring, or you can use glitter if you want. 1 minute, just stay there. I'm gonna go get some glitter. Okay, I am finally back with some red glitter. It can be any kind of glitter you have. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, okay? Because it's still gonna work the same. Okay. So, first of all, you're going to put some glue in. About how much I'm putting in now. You might like it better if you open it up and just pour some in there. I wouldn't recommend putting too much though, because sometimes it can go pretty wrong, but you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Okay, and once you've added your glitter and your activator, it should look like this. And I wouldn't recommend putting too much of the stuff. And also you can, if you don't understand how I'm talking or how I'm pronouncing this to you, you can always look at the start of the video, at the end of the video, because it's going to have a list of instructions. So yeah, 1 minute, I'm going to go get okay, I'm back, and I've got a spoon. You could use whatever type of spoon you got. And now you just dig in there. Get all that blue dye out. Not out, but you know what I mean. Just keep on mixing it in. And it should look like this. And for this, for the mixing bit, I would recommend you to roll your sleeves up. Sorry if that was a bit weird. And now, if you think there's not enough blue dye, like me, you can always add a little bit extra. Or a little bit more, any way you like to pronounce it. Because I like my blue not too light and not too whitish looking, so it should be coming off the plates like this, how it is now. It should, when you mix it, it should come off the plate just like that. And if you think that's not enough activator, go ahead and add some more. It's totally up to you. Just don't add too much activator because it can make a bit of a mess. So, I'm going to add some more activator. I'm going to add it in just like that. Just going to mix it in just like that. Sometimes this can go a bit wrong, and also you can add a little bit more glue if you think this has gone wrong. Then you just get in with your hands and try not to get this all over you, because slime, as I know, it dries very quickly. Not when it's in your hand and you're playing with it like me, but it can dry really quickly and it will stick to your clothes and you would have to end up throwing your clothes away, which is not how we like to end up, will we? So, just take up all the stuff. It's okay if you can't, because everybody makes mistakes, right? And if you can't do it, just go ahead and try it again.